Alright, here's question 10 and 11, and they're asking us to find a linear regression for the scatter plot. And these points on a scatter plot are not nice at all, like why are they in the middle of the line? So whenever you have points like this, the best thing you can do is just estimate it. And I'm pretty sure if you're close enough to the answer, then she shouldn't take off points. So let's go ahead and try guessing what those points would be. I'm gonna go ahead and set up a little table here as well. First things first, let's look at our graph. And you notice that it's gonna be in intervals of 6. So here's plus 6, and here went plus 6. And then that also means that this middle point right here is going to be plus 3. So what I mean by that is 6 and then 9, 12, 15, and then 18, 18, 21, 24, and then so on and so forth. So each little line is just adding 3. And then I guess I skipped the first one up here. And the same thing for our y-axis, we have 6, and then this one right here would be 9. This one right here would be 15. This one here would be 21. This one here would be 7. This one is 3. This one is 9. This one is 5. This one is 51. Okay, well that took a lot longer. Anyways, now let's start estimating our points. So I'm gonna actually change to a different color. Let's say I'm gonna do, yeah, I'll just do green. Okay, so for our first point here, oh, I don't like green. Green's kind of ugly. It looks like Barney. I'm gonna do red. Okay, so for this first point right here, we see that it's just behind 0, so I'm gonna say it's -1. And then our y value is right on 18. So that's our first point. Alright, and then for our second point here, once again, it looks like our x value is right on 6, so that's 6. And then for our y value, it's right above 21, so I'm gonna just put 22. Okay, for our third point here, if we look, it looks like it's just behind 12, so I'm gonna say the x value of that is 11. And then we also see that, oh, that line is not, whoa, where are these lines going? Okay, that point is like right above 27, so I'm gonna just say the y value is 28. Okay, alright, then we have this point. Oh, this point is actually pretty nice. It looks like it's right on 18, and it's also right on 30. Wow, one convenient point. That's nice. Okay, and then we have this point. It looks like it's, hold on, what's wrong with my lines? Alright, it looks like it's right above 24, or it's like right in front of 24 is what I mean. So our x value would be 25. And then it also looks like it's right above 39. So I'm gonna say that our y value is 40. Okay, and then we have this point. It looks like it's gonna be right in front of 30, so I'm gonna just say that x value, wait, that's not 30, hello? Wait, this is supposed to be 33, what am I saying? Oopsies. Anyways, so that's right in front of 33, so I'm gonna say our x value is 34. And then it's also right above 45, so I'm gonna say that our y value is 46. Okay, ignoring that little mistake there, we have our last point, and this one is gonna be right before 42, so I'm gonna say the x value of that is 41. And then for our y value, that one's right below 54, so I'm gonna say the y value is 53. Alright, now we finished estimating all of our points, and we're gonna put that in decimals now. So let me bring decimals over. Okay, wait, I have to make this one. Alright, so here you can click the plus sign and then table, and now let's plug in our points. Okay, now that I've finished plugging in all of our points into this table, we're gonna use our linear regression formula, which is y1 tilde mx1 plus b. And we get that our slope is going to be 0.842831, and our y-intercept is going to be 17.723. Now the thing is, here in the question, they do ask us to round to the nearest thousand, right there. So, pulling back up Desmos, let's round to the nearest thousand. So that's gonna be 3 decimal places, so 8, 4, and then that rounds up to 3, plus 17.723. And you notice that our line here does go through, well, I mean, it looks like it's in the middle of the point, so I think it looks pretty accurate. That means that our answer for number 10 is going to be the equation we just got. So, let me write that down. Y is equal to 0.843x plus 17.723. And once again, thousandth, so make sure you have 3 decimal places in your answer. And then number 11, they say, using the equation from number 10, predict the y value for an x value of 60. So really all we have to do is take this equation, so y is equal to 0.843, and then instead of x, we're just going to substitute that with 60. So times 60 plus 17.723, and then let me put that in decimals. Okay, here it is. And we get that our answer would be 68.303. So y equals 68.303. So those are going to be our answers. Some important thing to note, just to conclude, you can just estimate where your points are at. Make sure you round to the nearest thousandth for number 10. And then for number 11, make sure you're using your rounded equation. So after you finish rounding to the nearest thousand, make sure you use specifically that equation. Alright, and don't use, hello? Where's the tab at? What? Why is it not? Where is it at? Hello? Okay, anyways, don't use this equation right here, alright? Because these points are too exact. They just want you to use the rounded numbers.